So unruly, free but organized. I'm just fine right here on the sidelines. Hope she thrives, please have a good life. We all gotta walk different paths sometimes, I know. Don't stroll too far from home.
Sometimes I want to pack up all my things and move away. Paris, London, maybe even LA. But it's not far enough, far enough, far enough for me. Yeah, it gets kinda tough, kinda tough, kinda tough for me. So I'll go to outer space where nothing knows my name. There's bound to be life in some other galaxy. I'll find them and you'll see how good they'll be to me. 'Cause on Block 361 they wouldn't break my heart.
Hi Tha Nge Chin, I'm finally back in Baguio. So this morning I wasn't able to bike kasi I was just really so tired. I just slept. Then after that, I had to do our homework. So yeah, it took me forever to finish the homework, pero somehow I'm done with all the requirements. So yeah, I'm ready for the shoot for tomorrow. So now I'm just going to SM to buy Instax siguro kasi I want to invest on it and I want to treat myself then.
Too annoyed sometimes. So I'll go to outer space where nothing knows my name. There's bound to be life in some other galaxy. I'll find them and you'll see how good they'll be to me. 'Cause on Block 361 they wouldn't break. Maybe they'd break my bones, maybe they'd turn me into stone. But maybe I'd find a new home, and maybe I'd never be alone anymore.
Hi Tha Nge Chin, we're done with the vaccine. Now I'm going to the market to get the pants for the shoot. Masakit ba?
See how good they'll be to me. 'Cause on Block 361 they wouldn't break my heart. They wouldn't break my heart. They wouldn't break my heart. My heart.
Got pa yun to. And so I just finished doing things. Tapos I just rested because I was so tired kanina after buying the Instax. I said I just want to rest. I wanted to work, pero sabi ko my body was like really so tired. So now I'm just going to go to our shoot. So I will be packing lang yung outfits. So our call time is at 4. It's almost 4 na. But our shoot naman is at 5. So yeah, just bringing this luggage. So let's go. Hi Tha Nge Chins, we just finished our shoot. So yeah, I want to sleep, but I have to fix the outfits for tomorrow. I have at least 3 sets of outfits, like parang mga 20 sets of outfits that I have to bring. And my our brown poodles are waiting for me. So yeah, fix with me. Let's go.
For some time, I don't think I'm your type. Little smarty, sweet but salty sometimes. So unruly, free but organized. I'm just fine right here on the sidelines. Hope please have a good life. We all gotta walk different paths sometimes. I know, don't stroll too far from home. How far gone is your image of me? Is there hope for recovery? I'll keep my distance, yeah. I'll be a figment. God is my witness. I hope that means shit, yeah. I'll keep my distance, yeah. I'll be a figment. God is my witness. I hope that means shit, yeah. I'm just fine right here on the sidelines. Hope she thrives, please have a good life. We all gotta walk different paths sometimes. I know, don't stroll too far from home. I'm just fine right here on the sidelines. Hope she thrives, please have a good life. We all gotta walk different paths sometimes. I know, don't stroll too far from home. Used to wish she burned in hell, but karma travels back around. Had to look at the hand I'm dealt. Got exactly what I earned, oh well. I played my old guitar, sang you the videos. That was the start of something. High school musical, lemonade, lyrical films. We're all caught up in the bins. Your Lilo, I'm your Stitch. Hopped on this roller coaster ride, went sideways real quick. I'm just right here on the sidelines. Hope she thrives. Hope she found someone right. I'm just fine right here on the sidelines. Hope she thrives. Please have a good life. We all gotta walk different paths sometimes. I hope you find it.
Sometimes I want to pack up all my things and move away.
ginawa ko sa self-portrait. Tapos, sa mga material na ginamit ko, ano siya, photos na, picture din, photos na pinadevelop ko from my work na batok. Tapos, ginawa ko siyang self-portrait.
Gaano mo ka siya katagal ginawa?
Actually, ano siya, mabilis lang, more than, walang 1 month. Kasi, ano eh, yan ang pinaka-fresh na artwork ko for my first exhibit show sa Pugad di Art. Tapos, nirush ko lang siya actually.
Wow, kaiba. Iba. Tapos?
Nirush ko lang siya. And,
Anong feeling mo? Anong feeling mo yung artwork mo nasa National Museum?
Nakakatuwa. Hindi ko, alam mo yun, parang ano lang ko eh, out of the plan na ginawa ko para sa first art show ko. Tapos kinuha ka for National Museum. Kinuha ni Tatay Kila. Thank you so much, Tatay.
Congrats, Amin. Dali, congrats natin si Amin, guys. Congrats, Amin.
Thank you.
More artwork.
I just can't deal with them, deal with them, deal with them.